Hi, I'm Dan Howard, a show producer here at Haunted Hollow in Rockwood, Pennsylvania. Today we're going to show you how to do makeup that you can do at home just like we do here at Haunted Hollow.
Hi, I'm Chris here at the Haunted Hollow. I'm going to show you how to do makeup on Maddie here to show us how she's going to act in our Salem. So you can do this yourself. We're going to start on her. I made sure that she washed all the oils off of her skin first. So we're going to start applying some appliances. We're going to use Prozade tonight. We're going to apply it on the skin where we're going to put the appliance, and we're going to leave it dry to a clear finish. It doesn't have to be really thick. And as soon as it clears, it goes on clear, it'll be ready for the appliance. Okay, and to help this dry a little faster, I'm just going to take my airbrush. I have no paint on it right now. I'm just going to help dry up her paint. As soon as you get a nice clear finish on it, then you know it's ready to be applied. This will usually stay on most of the night, even if they're sweating. Then I'm going to take the appliance and do the exact same thing when I did on her skin. I'm just going to put a thin layer on and leave it dry a little bit until it becomes tacky. I'm just going to press that into place. Press from the inside and push it out. That way you make sure you got a good seal the whole way around. And if you see it doesn't stick around the edges, I'll be going around with Prozade one more time on the outside, and it lays all the edges down smooth for you. Now this I'm going to put on with the brush this time so I can make it a feather so it looks flatter. Then you can use the airbrush to dry. This way you can see where it actually didn't seal. I'm using a Walking Dead color, and this is alcohol-based makeup, so it helps for the sweat resistant. You don't want to put it on really, really dark, but you want to make her look like she's kind of sickly and she's been locked in there for a while with all of her friends. Okay, I'm just going to go around her eyes now, really, really lightly, just to make her look like she's sickly. And then when I have this color, I'm going to start going around to make her sores stick out a little bit, because I'm going to try to blend the edges a little bit. And the deeper you go in, the deeper they'll look, more 3D, the closer you go. And as you pull back, it'll go a little bit lighter for you. This one's like more in a slash, so you want that one to come down like she was cutting herself. And then back up. And it lightens it so it blends it a little bit more. And I'm going to darken her temples a little bit, going in here a little bit more to make her look a little bit meaner. Now I'm just taking a green powder and kind of blending everything together a little bit, just so it looks like she was kind of dirty in a damp hallway, where she has been. Every makeup has to be kind of bloody. You don't need a whole lot of blood. Less is more. This is a paste. And then if you take it and you just smudge it, so it just looks like she just went across her forehead and stuff. You don't want to have it all like you just want to make sure that you got going in every direction. And we also have these little steeple sponges that you can smudge the makeup or the blood to make it look more like she's been wiping at herself.
Come out to the Haunted Hollow where you can see me at the new Milford Asylum. And don't forget about the escape room. We'll be waiting.
Hey everyone, my name is Alyssa Shapani and I'm the creative director here at Haunted Hollow in Rockwood, Pennsylvania. We have some awesome new things for 2018. We can't wait for you guys to check them out. We have 6 attractions in one location. We have our Bruner Boarding House, our new for 2018 Milford Asylum. We have our Hollywood Haunted Hayride, Toxic Wasteland, Dead End Cornfield, and a 15-minute escape room called Haunted Hollow Escape. We are open Fridays and Saturdays. Our box office is open 6:30 to 10:30, but everyone gets to go through. Scare you soon.